guys, it's Michelle again, Grateful Creations. I just finished a pour and I'm going to use up the rest of the paints. And it is the Gina DeLuca pour, but I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. I am going to put some cloud mix in right at the end, just to see what it'll do. So here we go. Using up all the paints. Yeah, it's this one. Whoa, Wilbur. Oops. That was supposed to go before. Oh, well. Let's see how much of a difference it'll make. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of this, and it's sinking right down. And that's exactly what I wanted it to do. And we are going to flood the canvas with our drips. Because I just finished that painting, and I just took all my drips and took them off the table. And there we go. Let's see. Hope everybody's having a nice new year. So this is actually the first painting of 2021. Now I did put it on a level 1 canvas because it's an experiment and because I'm out of 20 by 20s. They're on order, they're coming. Yeah. There we go. So this should be fun to see what it does, because I really, really like the last one. I mean, it was Gina DeLuca. Oh God, she was the first person I ever watched on YouTube, and grateful I got started. And there's a lot of other artists since, but I had to try her pour because it was just, I was dying to do it. All right, so this is probably going to be a lot too much paint for this, but this is a 9-ounce cup. It's a 12 by 12, so we're going to have way too much paint, but oh well, it's just for fun. And it is with the cloud mix. So we'll see what that gives us. Doing a Gina DeLuca turn. There we go. Nice dismount. All right, it's already coming over. Woo, woo, lots and lots of paint. This is interesting. I might have to try this on a bigger canvas. I'm gonna give it a minute or two and I'll be back once it's developed a little bit, and I'll give it a quick torch too. All right guys, we're back. So this is what it's done. It is dripped all over. So there's a lot of paint on here, but it is thin paint, so thin paint tends to dry a little better. Woo! Wow, I felt like a roller coaster. That's kind of cool. Kind of cool to try new things, just for giggles. Yeah, we're still celebrating here. Wow. I really like the pastel colors in the bottom of it. Very cool. Done. Well, maybe not. See, we're never ever done, are we? This corner looks funny. So I'm going to take that off and bring it back. And then that'll look really cool. Oh yeah. Plus we want to make sure we don't have too much paint on it. All right, now it's done. Let me torch this really quick. And I used up all my paints. I'm very happy about that. Wow, that's something else. This is remarkable. I love that. I think I'm going to have to do some more cloud pours in 2021. Yep. So it's still developing. It's kind of, the translucency is coming through. Actually, it's coming through too much here, but do I tip that off? Yeah, maybe I will. You should see all the colors coming through on these cells. Very cool. So these consistencies were really thin, guys. I'm going to actually, I wish I had, oh, what a waste. Well, we used it twice, so I guess that's okay. There we go. And don't want to take it back too much. There we go. Woohoo! Another pretty one. All right, that's a nice experiment to tell me that I need to do this again on a bigger size. These are kind of wonky. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I'll be able to unwonk them. No, I'm gonna leave them. That looks like a shell. Huh. Very cool. All right, guys, that's it for me. Welcoming in 2021 with a bang, as you can hear. Look at all those. That almost looks like it's blue. And I didn't even put any blue in there. Strange. Very, very cool. All right, I'm gonna take you down. Give me a minute and I'll take my gloves off so I don't touch it anymore. And I'll be right down. Here it is. It will still develop a little bit. Look at those. That's incredible. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, so I know what I want to do tomorrow. This has been quite a journey, and I'm so grateful for it. I want to thank everybody who subscribes, watches my channel, and everyone who's inspired me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to the tip of my soul.